Every industrial plant depends on thousands of coordinated activities every single day. From operations and maintenance to safety, shift management, and communication, every task is connected and every decision matters. Introducing the X-Force Digitalization of Work platform, purpose-built for modern industrial operations. Every shift begins with complete operational awareness. Shift handovers, operator logbooks, communication registers, and shutdown activities are digitally connected, ensuring nothing is missed and every team starts fully informed. Operations and maintenance teams collaborate in real time. Equipment inspections, O&M records, field observations, and maintenance updates are captured instantly, creating one reliable source of truth for the entire plant. Safety becomes proactive with digital workflows. Lockout tagout, safety bypass, and management of change processes are standardized, ensuring every approval follows the correct procedure with complete traceability. Permit-to-work processes become faster, standardized, and transparent, keeping every stakeholder informed while ensuring every approval is recorded before work begins. Incidents are reported immediately, enabling faster response, structured investigations, root cause analysis, corrective actions, and continuous organizational learning. Real-time dashboards provide complete visibility into safety, operations, maintenance, compliance, and performance, helping management make faster and better decisions. Digitization of work. Connected worker create connected operations. It drives operational excellence, and operational excellence builds the smart, efficient, and safer plants of tomorrow. SSM Infotech, empowering digital industries. Connect with us today.